why a lot of RMF jobs require a clearance. Not all of them do, by the way, but many of them do because they're normally federal jobs. So if I just type in RMF, I'm on Indeed.com, I'm doing a job search. What comes up? Cybersecurity analyst remote. And that sounds like a really good job. The company is called Executive Personnel Services. It'll be very apparent why they need a clearance for this. Okay, so here's the job. It's $150,000 a year. Even though this is the corporation, Executive Personnel Services, it's a contract for the Department of Veteran Affairs. You're going to have to possibly touch veteran information. Like, you're going to be touching veterans' files, right? And some of their files, not necessarily classified, but sensitive information. Their social security numbers, right? The reason why a lot of risk management framework jobs require a clearance is because you're dealing with very important information. Classified information at times, that's the reason why. As far as clearances, jobs that are risk management framework that don't need a clearance, there are some. Because some states, they don't require clearance, but they're using NIST 800, for example. So those, they typically will just do a simple background check to make sure you're not doing hardcore drugs or something like that. Or they might do a background check to make sure that you're not at risk to their organization. Like if you're doing it for a bank, they want to make sure you weren't a bank robber, like stuff like that, like basic stuff.